Lemonaid Health Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, I'm going to provide an honest review of Lemonaid Health, covering everything you need to know before using their services. For your convenience, I've included links to the products and services discussed in the description below. Let's dive right in. Lemonaid Health is an online telehealth platform designed to make healthcare more accessible and affordable, especially for those who might not have easy access to a traditional doctor's office. The service offers a wide range of treatments for conditions like anxiety, depression, high blood pressure, erectile dysfunction, and even provides birth control, all from the comfort of your home. It's an excellent option for anyone who needs quick and discreet medical care without the hassle of scheduling and attending in-person visits. One of the standout features of Lemonaid Health is its user-friendly platform. The process begins with an online questionnaire that takes just a few minutes to complete. Based on your responses, a licensed healthcare professional will review your case and, if appropriate, provide a prescription. This process can take as little as a few hours, making it incredibly convenient for those who need prompt treatment. Another key feature is their pricing transparency. Unlike many traditional healthcare services, Lemonaid Health is upfront about costs. For most consultations, you'll pay a flat fee, which often includes the cost of the medication. This is especially beneficial for those without insurance or with high deductible plans. Moreover, Lemonaid Health partners with pharmacies to deliver your medication straight to your door, saving you a trip to the pharmacy. Lemonaid Health is ideal for individuals who have straightforward medical needs and prefer the convenience of managing their health online. However, it's important to note that this service isn't a replacement for a primary care physician or emergency care. It's best suited for people who are confident in their self-diagnosis and have non-emergency conditions. For complex or severe health issues, visiting a traditional healthcare provider is still the best course of action. In conclusion, Lemonaid Health offers a convenient, affordable, and efficient way to manage minor health issues from home. It's particularly useful for those with busy schedules, limited access to healthcare, or simply looking for a more private way to get treatment. If you're in need of quick professional healthcare services, Lemonaid Health could be a great option for you. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helps you make an informed decision about whether Lemonaid Health is right for you.